Ms. Myna Okoro and Mr. Carter appeared before Judge Judy to settle a dispute with their former landlord, Mr. Kimbrough. The judge started by asking if the two plaintiffs were married, to which they both answered no. However, they did confirm that they had lived together in a house they rented from Mr. Kimbrough. Judy asked Mr. Carter when he lived in the house, and he replied that he lived there from May 2016 until May 2017. Ms. Myna Okoro then said that she moved in during August and stayed until May 2017. The judge then asked if Mr. Kimbrough had provided a lease agreement, to which Mr. Carter hesitated to answer. Judy quickly picked up on this and confirmed that Kimbrough had not provided a lease. Judy then asked about the rent and security deposit. Carter confirmed that the rent was $525 per month, and they had given Kimbrough a security deposit of $1,000. However, when the judge asked Mr. Kimbrough to confirm this, he denied it and claimed that he was only supposed to receive $125 as a security deposit. Mr. Carter was unable to produce any proof of the $1,000 security deposit, and the judge made a note of this. She then asked him and Ms. Myna Okoro about an incident where they had to move out of the house due to renovations. They both confirmed that Mr. Kimbrough had informed them of this and had taken them to another house he owned, where they stayed for a couple of weeks. However, when the real owner of that property returned, they were thrown out by the police as they were not aware that Ms. Myna Okoro and Mr. Carter were staying there. The judge confirmed that the real owner of the property was named Jenny and asked Mr. Kimbrough how he had access to the house. He explained that he was the resident assistant and had keys to the property. When Judy asked whether they had paid rent for May and June, they admitted that they hadn't paid rent for either month. Mr. Carter also claimed that they had given the landlord a $1,000 security deposit, but they had no proof of it. They also claimed that the landlord had asked them to move out for 2 weeks so he could renovate the property. Ms. Myna Okoro, on the other hand, claimed that she had lost her job due to the inconvenience caused by the landlord's actions. She had to overdraft her bank account to pay for a motel for $300, and she was making monthly payments of $500 to the landlord. However, Judge Judy told her that the landlord was not responsible for her lost job or inconvenience. When the case turned to the damages that the defendants had caused to the property, the person who claimed to be the contractor for the property owner, Mr. Kimbrough, appeared. He claimed that the defendants had damaged the property, but Judge Judy asked him to prove that he was indeed the contractor and had the authority to represent the owner. The case ended with Judge Judy dismissing the claims and excusing the parties involved. The story highlights the importance of having a lease agreement and the need for proof of claims in a legal dispute.